Nobody cares about you. Nobody cares about your content because you've not showed up to care about them. The biggest mistake that people make when they come to creating a YouTube video, or to be honest, any type of video that I've noticed over the last 11, 12 years on social media, is they start out making it all about them. Are you making that mistake? Do you start your video with, "Hi, I'm just popping on," or do you start your videos introducing yourself and saying who you are and what you're all about, instead of doing what the audience have come for? And that's the information you promise them, whether it be through your thumbnail, through your title, through the social media post or the description in your video. Do you fail to give them what they show up for and start talking about yourself? You're gonna have to let me know in the comments, if you're brave enough to share that with me, that is. Because the thing is, so many people make these 3 key mistakes, and I'm gonna share with you how to fix them in this very simple, honest, and open video. The first step is this: you must give them what they came for. You created a thumbnail, you created a title, you maybe written a description or even a social media post to bring them to a video, but you didn't give them straight away what they came for. Now you can do this with your hook. You can write a splendid hook and you can have that straight into the video. This hook here, you'll have to go and check it for me and see if I'm right, because the hook will match or even mirror what the title says, what the thumbnail says, and it will give you exactly what this video is about, because chances are you're making these mistakes, and I'm seeing it across all platforms on social media and have been doing for some time. I've even made them myself, because when you start out, you don't know. You just kind of, dare I say it, some people wing it, some people get some training, some people go on a course, but when we start out, we only know what we know. So step 1 is this: give people what they show up for. You know, if it's getting into the content straight away, do that. Why introduce yourself? They don't know you. They don't know who you are. They're not going to value you until they get something from you. So give them something, because it's about them, not us, after all. The second step is, how can we get them to stay a little bit longer? Maybe increase our views, increase our watch time. I do this by getting into the mind of my viewer. So when I've given them what they've come for, whether it's the hook or I've just dived into the subject matter straight away, I then ask a question. I get into their mind. We call this mindset. So it's hook, and then it's the mindset piece. And this really gets them to just think and consider what I'm sharing. So I ask you a question right now. And I think I did a moment ago, didn't I? Like, have you made this mistake of introducing yourself and not getting into the content? So let me know in the comments if you've made that mistake. And then the third step is, once you've done the hook and you've gone for the question, i.e. got into the mind of the viewer, then tell them a story, because stories are what pull people in. And if I look through all of my videos recently where I've shared a story, like recently about Ruby or my wife, or how I've done things and how I've taken client through a journey, the majority of people, I have seen this block of where they've stayed for the story. The story's pulled them in, it's grabbed their attention, and it's helped increase my retention, and it's helped increase my watch time. I've shared a story with you, how people are making the mistakes, how they can do these couple of things, and then why storytelling is the third step that you can take. So get into the content, ask them a question and get into their mind. Tell them a story to keep them watching. And if you want to tell really good stories, check out this video here where I share with you how you can hold your audience's attention with the simplest of stories and framework. Take care, much love, Big Daddy out.